Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the, well, if I'm trying to pronounce this, Lijiani, hopefully I pronounced that right, DIY power box. Now this is one of the best do-it-yourself power banks I've seen. Now you can see it's got a flashlight on the back. Okay, that's a nice step. But when you open it up front, it has 4 different cells in it. So this is reason number 1. This allows you to roll your own power bank. So if you want to get some higher capacity cells, if you've got some existing cells that are not really getting used, this is a heck of a way to get them to work for you. Reason number 2, I found out purely by accident, this can run with less than a full load of batteries. So this way, if you only got a couple of cells to spare, okay, it's not going to run long, but at least it gives you an option. I didn't see any signs of loading. Now there's a trick to this one. Let's look at the back of the bottom of the case here, and it's going to show you, it says output 1, output 2, and we'll see the other side here in just a second. And it does have one side, which is the output 1, if I'm reading this correctly, is the 1 amp side, and then there's a 2 amp side. So it can, if you got something that needs to charge at a higher rate or needs power at a higher rate, this will handle that. And it's all plastic, but I've not had any problems with it. And as we swing around here, you're going to see an indication here. It's a little hard to tell with it being black on black, but you'll see where it says USB 2, USB 1. Now the 2 USB type A's is where you'll get your power. You can charge it by either the USB-C on the type 1 side or the micro USB. So you've got a way to charge this, and it's going to be pretty flexible. Now here's the other deal, and I'm going to tap the power button if we can get it to play nice here for just a moment. There we go. It gives you, can't really tell, let me see if I can rotate it just a little bit. It gives you individual battery status. So as you go to charge them, and it's not going to charge at a fast rate, but it will show you where each cell stands. And while it's discharging, it will also show you the capacity of the different cells. Now if you get it doesn't show a battery plugged in on one slot, you've either got a bad battery or you've got one that has been put in the wrong way, which is possible, especially when you're dealing with the ones that don't have the button on them. But just take a look at this one. You're going to see that this is a very handy thing to have. I've already had one piece of equipment that was continually turning itself off. I'm now finding, because of having this particular power bank, that the device was not the problem. I've got another power bank that's got a questionable issue. So this is really something to take a look at, and look at getting one today for your own.